today we are at Kirkstone Pass, and look, and this is the oldest house on here, and it was built in 1496, and it is 1,498 feet. And it's very old. The bricks are also covered in dirt. Cool, guys. I'm inside a cloud right now. Look up. Come with me, cool guys. I'll show you the cool, beautiful valley. Look. Cool guys, so today we are at Lake District, and it's freezing out here, and there's so much ice on the floor, and there's so much snow, and there's snow next to me, and I'm on snow. And this is one of the highest mountains, and there's a billion goats over there. 1498 feet mountain, and we are not on the highest point. The highest point is all like up there. So let's go and explore. Cool guys, let's go to our next adventure, Rydal Caves. So there's so much water there, and you might even see little small ghost fishes or real fishes. You might, or else there won't be fishes. And the cave, it's made by a man, and I don't know how many years it's been there. Right now, because we are going to Rydal Caves. Hi, cool guys. We're halfway through, and the cave is always there. We have to go all the way over there for the cave. So we're nearly almost there, but we have to walk so much still. There's another biggest lake here. Cool guys, so we are here to the cave, and look in. Look there. That's the biggest cave, and it was in 19th century. Now I'm going to go. Guys, this is the cave, and look, I'm going to show you. But that's not where he lived also. He also lived up there. But we're trying to go. I'm going to try. Hello guys. So today I'm back. I'm in the cave now. So let's go. There's water spelling like guys, so I'm here to see fishes at the cave. So now I'm going. Bye bye. Come. see the fishes. Mom, fishes. Fishes. Tiny fishes. Tiny fishes.
Yes.
Can I go? Hi cool guys, so today I'm cutting a pizza. This is a little hard and now I'm cutting it. Hi cool guys, and I have a little friend here, Fred, and he's very naughty. He also barked my mom and he was trying to take money out of my mom's
Okay, come.
purse, the bridge house that we made. And I didn't. Is it the last one we are going? Hi, cool guys. So now we are going this way. Come with me. Hi, cool guys. So there's a small waterfall. I'm resting here by walking in the water. So that was not the actual waterfall. We are going to the real waterfall now. So like we are 90 meters away. We are 1 mile away from the top of this forest. And I'm getting tired right now, but I'm still going to go to the main waterfall. So we are at the biggest waterfall and I have a surprise for you. Come with me. There it is. And now we are going home. Hey cool guys, so we couldn't do day 2. We can't do adventure 2 tomorrow because we had it to do it. There's a snowstorm coming, we can't do it. But if you like my video, like and subscribe and comment down below if you like my videos. Bye bye cool guys.